Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. This is Rohit and today I'm going to show you this winter 24 lightning styling for flow. So this is a very most important feature and this is very useful and enjoyment feature in this release. So if you want to learn something new, so please watch this video until end and please subscribe the channel and please turn on the bell icon for more updates so you never will miss any kind of update from my side. So let's get started. Okay. So first of all, you have to use your Winter 24 pre-release on if you want to use this kind of feature. So let's get started without any further delay. So let me logged in into my org. So here you can see my org. I just logged in here, right? So let me create one flow here. This is a screen flow. Under here in this flow, let me select this template, and here I will show you the first like a box shadow or this box styling. Okay, so if you want to use this box styling, so you can go ahead this website Lightning Design System SLDS and you can check each and every styling here about this box. So we can use this styling inside our flow. Very easy and very useful. So under here, just let me create one screen. So it's a screen name here. Let's say screen 1. And under here, there are so many ways to use this styling. Let me show you the first text template and later on we will see this custom level. Okay, so under here, let me show the display text first. Under this display text, let's say display box, something like that, right? Under this resources, you can create your new resource as you have. Otherwise, let me show you the another way to create this resource. Just click on this done. Under this toggle toolbox here, so you have to create new resource name like text template. So you have to select text template here and API name, let's say box styling, something like that, right? Under here, you have to use this styling. So you can see like div class and class name SLDS box, right? So let me copy this code and let me show you how to use that. So you have to change this rich to plain text before using this kind of, information. So now you can see, let me paste it here. So just copy this code and paste it here. Now you can see this one, right? After that, let me remove it. If you want to remove it, you can remove, otherwise leave it as it is. Okay. So for now, I'm using this one. So just click on this done. And now in this screen, just edit this screen. Under display text, I want to use my, this box styling. Click on done and let me save this flow and flow name, let's say lightning styling for flow. Okay, click on this save button and now you can see our flow is saved. Now run this flow first and you will be see this styling under this screen flow. And now here you can see this whole box, right? You can see, please observe this styling, this box, whole box here, right? So this is the first styling. Let me show you how to use another way. So once you use this text template, let me show this text template. Under here, let me remove it, this text template. Also, you can remove this div as well and click on done. Save this and under this screen, let me click this box here. You can write your text here. Let's say this is box styling, right? Like this. Click on done, save this and run this. Once you run this flow, you will be see the output here like this one, right? So our text inside this box, you can see this one. Also, let me show you one thing here. Under this screen, right? Let me add the section for better understanding. Okay, section and the section header you can use like label box styling, something like that, right? And this is the box styling. Let me add my component inside this one. Also, we can use this kind of, like columns based on our requirement. You can choose this. So just click on done, save this. Once you save this, run this flow again and you will see the new style here like this. So under the box styling, you can see my, this box. You can use anything as you want. So let me add another styling. So it's easy, right? So here, let me add the section here, empty section. Okay. So now you can add the column based on the requirement. Let me delete this one. No need this section. I want to use another column. So you can use like this also. Here you can maintain like this. Okay. So let me show you this one. You can use this here or this empty screen, right? Also, you can see this one. So let me click on done, save, run this flow. And now you can see the styling of the flow here. Now you can see final output, right? This one. So this section, this is for box styling. Now you can see the box. You can maintain the height and width based on the sections. Okay. So this is the first feature. Let me show you the notification style. Also, before notification style, let me show you this styling. We can use the custom label instead of, like text template. Okay. So very simple and very easy. Go to the here and just search like custom label. Click on this link and create new custom label here. Under this custom label, you have to use like box styling. It can be anything. Right now I'm using this name. Under here, you can use any, styling here. So I'm using this styling. Let's say this div and something like that, right? So here, like this. Okay, just click on the save. And once you saved it, now you have to go to this screen flow and refresh this screen flow. And just let me remove that text template here. And this time I want to use my, delete it. And under here for this section, I can use my display text. Let's say display text. Under display text, let's say box styling. Or I can use my, box already given like one. And under the custom label, you can see global box style and you can give your text here. Let's say this is box styling from custom label, like this, right? Click on done, save this, run this, and now you can see this styling came from custom label. Now you can see, right? This box shadow here, like this. So you can maintain your text somewhere, some around, anywhere in your, like a screen flow. Like this is for box. You can use box shadow as well, because under here, the theme. So once you search like theme, okay, theme, just click on this theme. We have box themes here, like base or shadow texture. So we already seen this one. We can use this shadow as well. Like, okay. So let me create one custom label and let's see. So under the custom label, just click on this new label. And here, like box. And we can use that name as well, don't worry. Like theme shadow. So we can use theme shadow. Okay, it can be anything in your case. I'm using this one. So let me remove this one. As capital, like said. So this is the theme shade we can use, or let me remove it here. And you have to give the value. So value we can use like this. So you just copy this code, paste it here, click on the save. And once you save it, under the flow, we can use it. Okay, just refresh this one. And here, just this screen, under here, I want to display that shade. And just here, you can see this theme shade. So just, you can display text here. You can add it. And like box shade. Okay, under here, we have like custom label, and you have to choose this one. And let's say this is box shade, something like that. Click on done, saved it, and run this flow. You will be see this output here. very sufficient way. This box is a simple box. You can see around this border. And second one is, you can see the some shade, right? Darkness. So here you can see. Okay, let me show you. Let me remove that, this one. No, I don't want this label. Click on done, save, and run it. And here, now you can see this one, right? This is box, something like that. Okay, so let me use this texture here. So how to use this texture? Very simple. You can use this code here. Just copy it, create the custom label, or you can create a text, text template. Don't worry about it. Okay, so for now, box, theme, texture, something like that. Click here, click on the save button. Now you can see my custom label. Go to the flow, just refresh this flow, and under here I want to use that custom label in my this one. So you have to use display text. Just drag and drop here, or I can use this one, delete. Now this display text, and this is display texture. Okay, something you can give any name as you want. So for this global variable label, we have this texture. Under this texture, I want to use this is box, shade, texture, styling. Okay, click on done, save this flow, and run this flow. And here you will see the new output like this. So please observe here in the first box, you can see the simple, like box here. In the second one, you can see some darkness, and third one, you can see some shadow like this. Okay, so you can use like this. Okay, so this is for like box. Now let me move into the second one. Second one, we already done like box styling and box lightning set theme. Okay, so we have done two things, two numbers, right? Now it's time to start this notification style. So how to give this style as a notification? So under the screen, let me create one section. Under this section, okay, section name, you can use any name as you want. For now, I'm making like 3 column like this. First is, like warning, success, and error, something like that. Okay, click on done. For now, I'm using like custom label for that one. So for now, you can see here the notification style. I have created some style here, like a custom label. You have to give the custom label like this, and you have to use this one. Okay, I will show you each and every, styling here. So let me create this custom label in Salesforce. So just go to here, create the custom label. Under the custom label, just create new custom label like this, and this name, and you have to give the code like this. So just SLDS, you have to use this SLDS, copy it, paste it here like this. Click on this save button. Let me create all the custom label regarding this toast. So here you can see this one. This is for warning. So let me create this warning. And under new custom label, you have to give like this. Let me copy this code, paste it here. Click on the save. Let me create another label. Under here, just you can use for the error like this. Under this one, let me copy this code and paste it into our custom label value. Click on the save. Now our 3 error warning success are ready as a notification. So under here, just let me refresh this component first before using. Okay, so let me refresh it. And once you refresh it, under this screen, just double click here. Under this section, let me add the section. This section. Under this section, let me add 3 columns like this. Under here, let me add the display text, like display text. This is one like success. Okay. under this picker, resource picker, we have like label and we have like error success warning. So you have to search like success first, and here you can give any number of, like this is success notification. Okay, you can give any name as you want. So this is success. So you can make it like bold, something like that, right? Like bold. This is bold, and you can give like you can make it unbold, this one. Okay. So let's say this is success screen styling under the flow, something like that. Click on this done, and let's see the output of this one. Let me save this and this flow, and let's see the output, the newly notification. Right, now you can see immediately this success screen. This is success notification here, right? You can maintain like in any styling, let's say middle or left, any kind of things, right, as you want. So you can use it like this. Let me add another styling here. So let me add the display text. So let's say display text under here, let's say error, and under here in the label global variable we have error, right? So you can use this one like this and paste it here. Instead of success we can use error, right? Make it this one, or I can use this one. Okay, and under this one, after the error you have to paste like this. So this is error screen, error notification, and this is the error. Like, okay, same thing you can use for warning. This is a warning, like warning. Under here I can use my label like this, and this is the warning. And under here let me paste this one, and this is warning here, and here this is warning. Okay, once you've done it, just click on done, save this flow and run this flow, and you will be see the new output here like this. So this is success, this is error, and this is warning, right? So you can see the styling here in the screen flow and SLDS. Okay, this is a very cool feature. You can use it anywhere as you want, like this. Okay, now let me add another feature that is called badges. So you can use badges as well. Okay, so now let me move into my flow and let me add the badges. So if you need to search like badges, you can search under the this LDS website. Just click on these badges, and we have lots of badges like badge level, right? Like badge default, darker, light, success, warning, error. Okay, we will see this all things inside this flow, styling flow under winter 24 release. Just go to the flow here, or before that let me create some custom label. So let me create the custom label. So you can use like a default badge label name. Okay, so like this, and value you can take this value from here. So if you need like this badge, this one, so you can just copy this code like this and paste it here. So you can directly maintain the label here. Otherwise you can add the badge label inside your flow. So for now I'm using like this. So just click on this save. This is the badge label, and this is for badge, right? Default badge. So under here, if you need like default one, let me check the default one is the like this, and this is the default. Okay, great. So now just click on the save and new, and let me check this new badges is coming in under the flow node with the styling. So just here, let me add that one here. Under this screen, let me create the another section like this. Under this section, we have to use lots of styling like this. So under this section, just click on this display text. Under here, like default badge, right? So under here in the global variable of the label, you have to search like default badge and just click on done. Save this flow and let's see this output is available or not. Just click on run. Now you can see the default label, right? Everything as a badges. You can add this section for the better understanding. Okay, so let me add this section. So first one, in this section, let me add the header. Let's say box styling. Okay, under this box styling, okay, styling. Okay, now you can see this one. Under here, you can see this box is styling and everything, right? So we have this one collapse or expand. We have another box styling, so don't worry about that. We can use that one as well. Okay, so this one for, you can include like this. This is for notification styling. And last one is badges here. You can use like badges styling like this. Click done. Let me save this. Let me run this flow. Now you can see each and every, like section. So this section have like, styling, and you can collapse it like this, like this, like this. Or you can expand it like this. Okay. So you can use like this. So let me add another styling here because some margin I need. This one you can use like this. Okay, each and every texture here I can use like this. Also the notification I can use here. Also third one we can also use this. Okay, and last one as well. If you need like some spaces between these, badges and sections, just save this, run this flow, and let's see the output. So immediately you can see some margin between the box and like this one. You can use any styling as you want. So for now it is good for me. So we can use like badges style here. So this is the default one. We can use another one. Let's say darker, light, success warning, error, right? Each and everything. So how to use that? Very simple and very sufficient way. Okay, I want to use this in inverse. So how to use that? Very simple. Just go to the Salesforce. Under here, we have like a dark or inverse badges. Badge inverse. Okay, like this. Under here, just go to this SLDS. Under this one, this code, we have this code, right? So just copy it, paste it here, and please observe for this one, this is the default one. If you need like all the child styling of this parent, so just give one space and copy that class. So that is the class here. I will show you this one. Just copy this one and paste it into the label like this. Click on this save, and let's see this is affected or this is available under the flow or not. Let me refresh it. Under this flow, just use another one like display text, or this is the inverse, like badge inverse, something like that. Under the label, just come down. Under the label, we have like badge inverse, and I need some space. So just click on done, and let's see this output. Just save this, run this, and you can see the output here like this, right? Badge something like that here, right? So this is the default one. Okay, and this is the inverse one. Can use like light is, success, everything. Same thing. I will show you here one by one. Don't worry. Okay, so now under here, let me show you this one. In the default one, right, we have this one. We can add this styling like 4, 3, something like that. Based on our requirement, we can use it. Right. So for now, let me add the most of the badges here, like badge, create new badge for light one. Okay. Then success, warning and error. We will see this one. So badge. Okay. So how to use that? Very simple. Just come down. Let me copy this code, paste it here. Under this one, we have these badges. So it's a light. Just copy this class, paste it here after one space like this. Click on this save and new. And this time we will create this success one, like theme success or badge success, something like that. So badge success. Under here, we have to use that code, this one, and paste it here, and also that class like success class. So let me copy this, paste it here after one space, and just save this. Also remove this, this theme success or something like that. Okay, so let me save this, and let's see this badge is affected in our flow or not. So just here, you can just add or edit this screen. Under here, we have display text, like display text, just drag and drop. Under here, let's say success badge, something like that. Under the label, you can see the inverse light success, right? I want to use success here. So here, let me see the success is available for this flow or not. Just save this and run this flow. So now you can see the success, right? This is the inverse and this is the default one, right? So also we can use another one. We already use like light one. So under the display text, we have like light badge. Under this one, label, just label, we have badge light. Give one space, click done, save this one, and run this flow. And let's see this output here. So now you can see this is some, the gray color, this is a darker success and the light, right? Let me add the most of the labels here. So now let me create a new labels for the this warning and error. Okay, so you can just copy the existing one as you have, like badge success. So we have already used this one. So just new one you can create for warning. Okay, so just badge warning like this. Under here we have to use that class. So what is the class name here? Just use this code first, paste it here. Under this one we have like warnings. Just copy this class like this and paste it here after this one, badge. Okay, so just click on this save and new for the error. Okay, so let me add the badge error. Under this one we have to use this code. Just copy this code, paste it here. Under this badge, I can use my remaining style for the error. So just copy this error, paste it here, just click on the save. So once you saved it, now you have to go to the flow. Under this flow, we have to add like another section. You can use it. Otherwise, also you can use display text here, like display text. So under the display text, we have like this is for warning, badge, something like that. So under the label, just go to the label here. We have badge warning. Okay. So we have to search label and light success inverse, or first of all, we have to refresh this one. Okay, if you don't see my changes, so your changes or my changes, just you have to refresh your screen and it will be available. So under here, just search display text. Here, let's say warning badge. So under this label, so you can see the badge warning. Okay, and also I want to use like another one, that is error. So you have to use display text for error. So under here, like badge error. Now here we have label and badge error. All right. So just give some space, click on done. Let me save this one and run this flow. And once you run this flow, now you can see the output. Okay, but still you can see the default one, not warning error, something like that. So we have some mistake under here. You have to remove this dot one. And let me save this. Let me refresh this style here. Like this. Yes. So now you can see the error. Warning one, we can also change the warning, like badge warning. Badge warning, just click this one, add it, and remove this dot like this. Just save this and refresh this flow, and you will be see the new output like badge. So you can see each and every badge is here, right? This is the badge. Okay. So this is for badge. Now you can see, so whenever you use any section in this screen flow, you can see this collapsible and expandable functionality. But if you need like your custom, this section without this button, you can use this section, and I have this some styling for this custom section. Okay, so how to do that? Let me create a new custom label here. Click on this new label and like say custom section without header, something like that. Okay, so you can use it like this, without header or something like that, or without collapsible. You can use any name as you want. So let me copy this one. So I have this one, just copy it, paste it here, click on this save button. Let me refresh this flow. And once you refresh it, you can use this section here. So under this screen, I want to use this one. Let's say section, or don't use section, you can directly use here. Let's say display text. So under this display text, we can use like section. Okay, under here in the label, custom section with this one, let me refresh, or let me give one space, click on done. Just save this and run this. Once you run it, now immediately you can see some, like section, but this section doesn't have any text. So let me add the text first. So under here, let's say my custom header, something like that, right? Click on done, save this, run this flow. So once you run this, now you can see immediately this custom header without any, collapsible or expandable button. You can use like this. Okay. So for now, I can use, instead of this collapsible and something like that, I can use this my header in this, like this section. Based on your requirement, you can choose. Okay. So this is another feature here. You can use like this. Okay. So now let me move into the last feature, that is called button. So how to provide the styling for the button? Let me show you here. So you have to search under the LDS like button. So just click on this button. You can use any button as you want like this. How to show that? Let me show you here. Let me create one, for the button one. So let me create one resource here. Okay. So just under here, this is type formula. You can create any type kind of, formula as you want. For now, I'm using this one, let's say button brand. something like that. Okay, now you can see the valid syntax. Just click on done, and you can see the button brand. Under this formula, just you have to use that formula inside this screen. So just display text. So just drag and drop anywhere as you want. Next, say brand button, something like that. Just click on this one, and you can use this brand button. Click done, save this, and run this flow. So once you run this flow, you will see this new output here as a button here. So please observe, this is coming from custom level and this is coming from formula. You can add the button like this. Okay, any style as you want. So this is how you can apply the styling in a flow using this Winter 24 new feature. I hope guys you learned something new in this video. If you feel like this is a very more informative for us, so please like, share, comments, and please turn on the bell icon for more updates so you never miss any kind of update from my side. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya. Thank you for watching guys.